Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back for another little quick shop update here on this podium slash lectern build we've been doing. Been posting a bunch of different shorts, make sure you guys check those out, but just doing a quick little video before this thing goes into finish. But I'm pretty much done with it. Definitely getting there. It's all reclaimed lumber from the Kaiser shipyards that built the ships in Vancouver and Portland side for World War II. But this is one of the pylons that got pulled out when they built the hotel over there on the Vancouver side. But this is for the Port of Vancouver Shipbuilders Association. I'm pretty sure that's right, but it's all been milled down from beams. Like I said, go back and check out some of the other videos I did, short content and stuff like that I did. But started off with pretty good sized beams. Everything's milled down. This is a carcass inside with 1/8 inch reclaimed fir I did over the top of that. And then everything else has pretty much been machined, milled and machined to fit. Gets a little chem metal, little inlay deal that will go in after a finish. It goes just in there. But all this is looking pretty good. Everything turned out pretty good. We had to fit these bigger blanks right here to be able to route these top pieces, and then trim capped everything with all the same matching stuff. So like the trim and all the top and trim and the prow in the front and the logo piece is all from the same board, and then all the other material for like the outside of the carcass here and the top here. And all of the inside stuff is all out of the same board as well. Different piece for this, but yeah, there's a door handle here. That way, you know, we have grommet and power that comes down into the shell itself. But nice little door handle on that. Soft close. But yeah, everything will be finished. You can see the inside here is all finished already. It's going to be about that color, and it's really going to pop. But yeah, stay tuned. Make sure if you guys are enjoying the content and that you like it, you guys subscribe as well if you're new. See you guys in the next one. Peace out.